is Pankudi. I am from Jaipur and I am one of the master creators of jewelry for a very long time. We go back about 30-40 years and I carry a legacy of silver jewelry and fashion jewelry. We are one of the pioneers of Polki Jadao pieces in pure silver, and a lot of our fashion jewelry range starting from 1000 rupees, and we've got a lot of range in silver jewelry which is in Polki Jadao, freshwater pearls. We've got some antique pieces basically which are from the heirloom project, and we have curated those pieces and it's a part of our family heirloom collection for the last 80 years almost. So those are the pieces that I'm featuring this time, and this is one of my most favorite designs in Jadao, which is basically a part of our silver Jadao collection with freshwater pearls. It's a beautiful versatile choker which you can wear it and I think it will go with pretty much every outfit. And here we have featured a lot of range from temple jewelry, from Moissanite jewelry, from Kundan Meena jewelry, from diamond jewelry. So this is a piece from our antique jewelry collection, which is our heirloom collection for the last 60 to 70 years, which has been a part of our family and legacy. And we are curating these pieces here at Style Tatva, and we've got a collection of these pieces in which there are a lot of pendant sets, bracelets. You've got real amethyst here, you've got real pearls here, you've got a real topaz, and something like this which has got real rubies and emeralds. You can wear these pieces as a brooch, as a sarpage, or as a pendant set. I think it will all make it for a very beautiful collection, and you can pass it down to your daughter or a granddaughter. So this is one such collection that we are featuring here at the show. And other than that, of course, as I've covered, there is a lot of fashion jewelry pieces. There are a lot of Jadao pieces that we are doing, something like this. And the something that I am wearing is a part of the Moissanite fashion jewelry collection. It's looking very gorgeous with white. It's going to look very gorgeous with any other colored sari or any other colored piece. This is a part of our bird collection from the Jadao section, which is again in pure silver and with freshwater pearls. You've got intricate detailing. You've got little birds on the side. We've got matching earrings with it. So if you were to wear it with any of your ikkat saris or any of those pieces, I think this will look very gorgeous as a piece. And this is another piece, is in Polki. And if you look at the finishing, it is pure gold plated, electro plated. This won't go black, this won't tarnish. You can wear it with any of your, traditional pieces. And these are all rubies, cut rubies, which basically, accentuate. So even if I were to style it with something like a white or a black, I think this piece would look really stunning. एक भरे हुए नेकलेस के बारे में बात करें तो आई थिंक दिस पीस ये अपने आप में बोलता है. This talks, and this says a lot because this is a part of the Firoza collection, which is the turquoise collection. And once you wear it, it covers your entire neck, and I feel that this will make for a very, very statement piece. And we've got beautiful studs with it. अगर आप पहनोगे तो इसके साथ आप ऐसे studs match कर सकते हो. I think ये बहुत सुंदर लगेगा पहना हुआ. और ऐसे ही अगर और बात करें, अब कम बजट की बात करें तो वी हैव दीज लवली कुंदन मीना पीसेस, which is kundan in front and meena at the back, and something like this is only priced at 4,500 rupees. So this is kam budget mein bada dhamaka, and you can wear it again on a lot of traditional outfits and pieces. There are two pieces that we have curated. This choker is basically a part of a bridal collection, and I feel any bride would look very beautiful wearing it with a very deep neck outfit for the main day as a bridal day, or for her mehndi, or for any of the reception looks. And this is a piece that a groom can also wear on his sherwani, and also I feel that this would look good on the mother of the bride as well. So this is one of those versatile pieces in Polki that we have, and ये sherwani साड़ी बहुत ही यूनिसेक्स वाला पीस है और इसका प्राइस इज अबाउट 32,000. So again, pure pearls, big piece, and a very budgeted price because we are selling it at wholesale rates here at Style Tatva. So this is again a part of our Jadao collection. Semi-precious stones, freshwater pearls, silver jewelry. ये again बहुत ही एक statement long piece है. इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें तो हमारे पास एक्सेसरीज़ के फॉर्म में बहुत कुछ है इस बारी. So we have something called as the Juda pin, which is a pin that you can put it on the bun, and if you've gotten bored of it later, you can wear it as a pendant and we can help you redesign that pendant. और कुछ बहुत ही सुंदर beautiful पॉन्चीज हैं which are size adjustable और बहुत ही इंट्रिकेट डिटेलिंग के साथ इनकी पिराई करी गई है, तो ये हाथ में पहनी हुई बहुत खूबसूरत लगेंगी। और इसके साथ हमारी स्पेशलिटी है द कुंदन मीना पॉन्चीज दैट वी डू। इसमें रेड वेलवेट लगा हुआ है, सुपर। आप इसको ट्रेडिशनल एज वेल एज अपने वेस्टर्न्स के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो। और अब हम बात करेंगे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग पीसेस के बारे में, जैसे ये कड़े हो गए। दीज आर वेरी ट्रेंडी, दिस कैन बी वॉर्न विद वेस्टर्न एज वेल एज दिस कैन बी वॉर्न विद अ ट्रेडिशनल पीस। सो एडजस्टेबल है, 2500 a pair, something which is budgeted, something which is a part of the fashion jewelry statement collection, and they are openable. So उससे होगा ये that आपको साइज़ का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, आपको रोल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये यहाँ से खुल जाएगा और आप इसको बहुत कंफर्टेबली ओपन करके पहन सकते हो। और इसी में ही हमारे पास बहुत सारी बंगड़ीज़ हैं, डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बंगड़ीज़ which you can wear. This time we've got a lot of tikas, basically जो हमारे we can accentuate it like this. अब टीके के साथ क्या होता है, टीका आपने पहन लिया, you're bored and अब इसके बाद क्या करें नेक्स्ट, तो हम इसके लिए आपकी ये हेल्प कर सकते हैं। We can create another piece same for you and you can wear it as a चांद-बाली on the side like this. So basically आपकी एक बहुत अच्छा pair of earrings बन जाएगा साइड में। So we can attach a nice dandi at the back and we can convert it into a pair of chandbalis after you're bored and done wearing tikas as a part of, you know, your collection, jewelry collection. At the same time, we have curated in silver a mother of pearl range of earrings of these choti cute chandbalis and studs, and this goes very well, like ये white suit के साथ तो अच्छी लगती है, ये हर कलर के साथ जाती है। So I feel something like this should be a part of your silver jewelry collection, which you can pass it to your daughters and granddaughters. अब बात करते हैं टेम्पल ज्वेलरी के बारे में। सो ऑफ कोर्स टेम्पल ज्वेलरी सबको पसंद होती है, बट गोल्ड में ऑफ कोर्स द प्राइसिंग इज गॉन अ लॉट, सो वो अफोर्डेबल नहीं रह गई है। अब सिल्वर की भी बात करें तो सिल्वर में भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो गई है, बिकॉज रिसेंट सिल्वर हाइक की वजह से टेम्पल ज्वेलरी हैज़ बिकम एक्सपेंसिव। नाउ वी हैव लॉन्च्ड हाई फिनिश टेम्पल ज्वेलरी इन फैशन, एंड आप मानेंगे नहीं, ये पूरा सेट विद ईयरिंग्स इज ओनली 4000 रुपीज़, विच बेसिकली कवर्स योर एंटायर नेक। इट्स ब्यूटिफुल। ऐसे ही हमारे पास और सारे पीसेस हैं टेम्पल ज्वेलरी में, कॉइन पीसेस में, फॉर दैट परफेक्ट कांजीवरम लुक और ऑन अ कांजीवरम साड़ी और अ बनारसी साड़ी दैट यू कैन बेसिकली पिक अप। आई थिंक दिस विल लुक वेरी वेरी फिनोमिनल इफ स्टाइल्ड वेल। एंड अगर और एक बड़े पीस की बात करें, सो पीसेस लाइक दिस। अब ये पीस सिर्फ 3500 का है, कैन यू बिलीव द प्राइस? बट the whole idea for us is to provide you well budgeted jewelry at a great price and a great look, because जैसे आप कपड़े चेंज करते हो वैसे आप अपनी ज्वेलरी भी चेंज करो। So all of this is available on Instagram as well as we are located, and our store is based out of Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur, by the name of Pankhuri Art and Silver Jewelry. We are on Instagram as Label Pankhuri, LABELPANKHURI. And you can call me directly on 9950 141 942 and I will help you select that perfect piece of jewelry that you require.